Hey everyone, Harrison here from On the Mic Training, and today I wanted to talk to you about two really common types of microphone arm. So right here I have a floor stand with a cardioid mic on it, and I also have a Rode arm with a shotgun mic on it. So depending on the size of your studio, the type of stand you choose is going to have a big impact. If you have a bigger studio with more space, a floor stand is a fantastic choice because you can have a really nice performance angle where the mic is coming from above you, and you can have a perfect space where even if you hit a plosive, a lot of the air is going to go underneath it. I love having a kind of high angle on my mic, so that way I can also see my script, and I'm not really losing any volume or anything like that. I'm not really coming off mic even if I'm looking down at my script. Where these Rode arms are fantastic because they're really space conscious. You can mount them to a desk, you can mount them to a shelf, you can even put a little block into a stud in your wall and then just mount it on that, so you really don't lose any space to your mic arm. And you can kind of move it around as necessary, and they don't really make a lot of noise. But it's really what it's up to you. If you think a more space-conscious choice is going to be better for your small studio, you can go with an arm. If you think a floor stand is going to be better because you've got a bigger space, they're fantastic as well. It's really whatever works best for you, but they're both good, valid options for your booth. There's no real wrong answer.